Hello everyone, my name is Dhivyesh and I am coming from Adi International School. Today we are going to do an exciting DIY project, that is a flower vase with flower plants inside. Whatever plant you can use. For this project you will need a plastic bottle. Make sure this plastic bottle didn't have any chemicals inside or anything harmful to your plants, and make sure the bottle is clean before using it to make the flower vase. Next thing, you will need scissors, blade or anything sharp to cut the bottle. If you are using scissor or blade, make sure there is a parent supervision before you are doing it, because you can harm yourself with the scissor if you are not careful enough. Next, you will need paint. What is this paint for, you may ask? Paint is for decorating the bottle. You cannot leave it as it is. If it is good, you can leave it. Or if you want some decorations like cat, dog or anything, you may know why I am saying this. Let's get into this video. First of all, you need to cut this bottle along here. Around here. You can see it? Around here you need to cut it. You can cut it how tall you want or how short you can want. Okay, first we need to cut this bottle. As you can see, I have cut it out roughly. Okay? You no need to cut it precisely now, because we are going to draw the outline out for the ears around. Okay, next you need to draw the outline around it. This is the second step. What means you need to have like ears around it. You need to draw the outline around this bottle like this. You can see that there are ears and that's it, flat. Front alone you need to draw some ears, that's it. Well, I have cut it out. You may see these two cute ears, and I have cut everything flat. Just make sure that you don't cut yourself with the scissors. So have some parent supervision. Next, you have to decorate this. We can paint it. You can see cute little legs, ears and face will be around here. So I'm going with the panda color. So I like panda because of the cuteness. So I'm going to paint this in the color of panda. After about 2 hours of painting, what just happened is that the bottle is green, right? So when we applied the paint, it looked green and white, light green color. So I had to apply about 6 or 7 coats of paint, and then only I applied the black color for this face. Still it is incomplete because we need to add the mouth and eyes. Eyes are no need, because in the images you can't see the eyes, but you can see the mouth. So we can use a marker to make the mouth. Now I added the mouth, tiny mouth only, okay? Then I added translucent whiskers, because the panda has whiskers too, because it's a bear, right? So it has whiskers. Now next step is that we need to allow it to dry. It dried. I used a hair dryer to dry it, but you need to let it cure for about 3 hours, because still in 3 hours in sunlight, direct sunlight. For example, you can keep it near an open window where direct sunlight touches it. So that way only the outer layers only dry, inner layers are not dry. So we need to leave it in open sunlight where it will dry for 2 to 3 hours. Now that it is dried for 3 to 4 hours, let's move on to the next step, where we'll be heading outdoors. We are outside and we need some dirt for my garden. It is a bit dirty. We need to collect some dirt and put it inside this. After putting, we need to plant the plants. Now it is full of soil, as you can see. Be careful and don't get bitten by bugs or anything in the soil. Now you need to get some cuttings. Now I have a small size cutting is good for this, because this is also small and you must place small cuttings only. I have a few with roses, tiny cuttings only. And now take a stick, poke some holes. Now I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cuttings, so I must make 5 holes. 1, 2. Oh, remove any stones, okay? Because that may hinder the growth of roots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now take it, remove any leaves in the bottom part for about 2 centimeters. You can see there are no leaves, and insert it into the hole. Cover it up. Repeat this step again and again until all the holes are covered. After that, you have completed your pot. Now we can gift it, or else you can keep it. I'm going to gift it to my mom. First of all, I need to let it grow, because if we don't water it enough, it could dry up and die.